36 instruments or voices or whatever.
Wow.
The tape control room was here with the tape.
So the tape machine, yeah?
Oh.
Why the catch this thing up like this?
Everybody did have to pull out this do stuff out tight when the people them was here and move it. So Errol
Move it to the road.
connect it up back now, so it was to put on back, but him alone couldn't do it. So
Careful there, there's that thing.
Wow.
So this is the multi-track. Look here.
Okay,
So
watch
the
your, watch
size
your
of the tape
holes.
there.
Yeah, watch the holes here.
So the size of the tape there, guys.
Yes. Wow. Amazing.
So
Carnival tape. Look at that.
the size
How
of the
many
tape.
albums were recorded in this studio, love?
Too much to count.
Thousands and
So
thousands.
you'd put everything, record all the instruments on a 36 track, and you mix it down to a 2 track.
Wow.
It over here.
Wow.
Ducks.
Wow.
Yes,
Wow.
Look at all them old bulb, man. Take them out.